Hi! In front of me is the ZTE Blade V2020 and today I would like to show you where you can find all your downloads on this device. Start by opening menu. Now tap on the search bar over here and type File. Then click on File Manager. Normally you need to tap Allow over here, but I already did that, so I can go into Downloads right away and click on Download over here. As you can see, all my downloaded files are located here. If you want to access one, you need to tap on it, select one of these sources, like photos, and now I can see my file. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!